President Tinubu, the master of Takia, is used Takia to deceive the creator of Takia. Many of you are blinded to this. Tinubu is playing a very dangerous politics. He is a master politician. He knows what he's doing. You see, this guy had to appear before the Kaaba as a sick fowl. You see, you need to play by the rules and by the game. Then, immediately he obtained the presidency, he turned his back against the Kaaba. You see, the Northerners run this country. The Northerners run Nigeria. You may not know, but Tinubu knows what he's doing. But for whatever reason, Tinubu turned his back against whatever they agreed to do. If you fail to protect Tinubu against next election, you are dead, you are gone. This country is good as gone. And I want to advise the Igbo, you don't know what you are doing. Many of you are in Lagos doing business, exporter and importer. Your destiny is at stake. In fact, you are the main target. I made a video recently. I said, you see, the Igbo tribe, by factory setting, you cannot Islamize them. You can't Islamize the Igbo tribe. It's almost impossible. It is almost impossible. So they are the Igbos. Whatever you will do or you can do to support Tinubu for the next election is for your destiny. Hello, Tinubu. I know you are trying. The issue of Nnamdi Kanu, you waited in the last minute to divert whatever is on ground. I will talk about that one later. The Holy Spirit is ministering to me now. Tinubu is trying to save the life of Nigerians. You may not know. You see, this Wike you brought up, actually you pick up Wike for a reason. Being a brutal person, you want somebody who is also brutal. But Wike the fuck up. Wike is fucking up seriously. What Wike is doing all over the place is talking anyhow. It is for Tinubu hand. And I will advise Tinubu, please consider the South. Consider the South. I will advise to go for Governor Sheriff. He's also brutal as well. Sheriff is also a brutal entity. Irobo is brutal, Ishekiri is brutal, Irobisoko is brutal, Ishekiri is brutal, Ijo is brutal. They will throw their full weight support behind Governor Sheriff. You cannot consider any of these people in the east, all these southeast governors. They are a bunch of psychopaths. They are a bunch of compromisers. Many of you need to pray for Tinubu. You need to pray for that guy. See, if anything happens, that the Kabas at the north, those guys, they are not joking. If anything happens and they take over power from the west or from the south, you are gone. You are finished. Let me tell you the first thing that will happen. Let me tell you the first thing that will happen is to cut off internet. Internet will be cut off. I'm telling you. You see, Tinubu actually came in to dismantle the political structure of the northern elites. So they are angry right now because they don't have anybody to present for the next election. Atiku is gone, Kwankwaso is gone, Erufai is gone, Kashima is gone. They are all angry that this is happening at this present time when all the plans, everything has been considered. So Tinubu, for whatever reason, God is using him. You have to pray for that guy. You have to pray seriously for that guy. That guy, nothing must happen to him. Look, I'm an obedient. I voted for Obi. Obi cannot do this work. Obi is a chicken. If these people can be shaking Tinubu like this, is Obi. Obi, let Obi go and sit down. I'm yet to see anybody from the southeast that can take over from Tinubu, except Wike, but Wike the fuck up. Even David Umar himself, that one cannot do it. So I will consider that Tinubu look at the south. Governor Sheriff, I think he can do this because that guy is not somebody you can intimidate anyhow. So this is my advice for Nigerians. You have to be very, very careful now. Igbos, you have to open your head. Igbo, you are like a ram that is prepared to be slaughtered. You will be in that your Lagos doing business when they will call you that your land, they don't run your land over. There are forces that have surrounded Nigeria. They are coming with full force. Nigeria Islamization is overdue. These forces are coming. See, they have an agenda. You have to be very, very careful, Igbos. All this one you are fighting Yorubas online, whatever. See, I will talk about Nnamdi Kanu later.